Hello everyone. So today I am going to try to solve a sample problem in application of stress transformation to combined loads. And according here is the problem, the radius of a 15-inch long bar is 3/8 inch. Determine the maximum normal stress in the bar at point A and point B. So there is a given radius is 3/8 inch, and also there's a force here, and the torque or the twisting, also the distance is equals to 15 inch. So what we are going to do is first get the moment of inertia. So to get the moment of inertia, you just apply the formula of pi r fourth over 4, which is equals to, since r is already given 3/8 inch, we can easily solve for the moment of inertia. This is equal to 15.532 times 10 negative 3 inch fourth. Next is we need to get the polar moment of inertia, which is we can easily solve using the formula of 2 pi r fourth over 4. Since this is the moment of inertia, you can substitute this into this. So 2 times 5.532 negative 3. This is equal to 31.06 times 10 negative 3 inch fourth. So after that, we can now move on to solve for the normal stress. Stress normal is equals to moment times the radius over the moment of inertia. To get the moment, we just need to simply multiply the force and distance. So 30 times 15 multiplied by the radius of 3/8 over the moment of inertia, which is this one, 15.532 times 10 raised to negative 3. This is equal to 10,865 psi or 10.865 ksi. After that, we need to solve for the torsion stress. Torsion stress is equals to the torsion times r over the polar moment of inertia. Torsion here is this one, the 540, the twisting. 540 times the radius is 3/8 over the polar moment of inertia, which is this one, 31.06 times 10 raised to negative 3. Then we get the answer of 6.520 KSI. After getting the normal stress and the torsion stress, we can now apply the formula for the maximum normal stress at point A, which is max is equals to normal stress over 2 plus square root of normal stress over 2 squared plus torsion stress squared. So this is equal to you just substitute the given. So normal stress is 10.865 over 2 plus 10.865 over 2 squared plus 6 point squared. So let's erase this first. Then now, after solving this, we get the answer of normal stress max is equals to 13.92 KSI. So this is the answer for maximum normal stress at point A. Next is maximum normal stress at point B. So in order to solve that, we are going to need the this one, the the torsion stress. So 6.520. So at point B naman, the combination of torsion stress and transverse shear stress ang atong gamiton para sa point B. So since ang formula ani is T total is equal to transverse shear stress or transverse shear stress plus torsion stress na siyang formula for total shear stress sa point B. So since kani siya kay given ang shear stress, ang need na nato kaon ay ang kaning transverse. So ang transverse shear stress naman, formula niya kay VQ over ID. Since kaning B kay mo lang ni siya ang force, vertical force nga na-apply sa end sa beam, which is 30 pounds. Ang Q naman mo ni siya ang moment area above sa point of interest. Moment area. Ang I naman is ang inertia. And B naman is ang width. width sa area nga resist sa shear sa point B. So this is basically 3 over 8 ay 3 over 4 ay sorry. So applying that, first we need to get the Q. So ang formula sa Q is pi r squared over 2 times 4 r3 pi, or simply 2r cubed over 3. Since ang r na to kay 3 over 8 given na, we have the Q now of 35.16 times 10 raised to negative 3 inch cube. So nanatay Q. So gamit na nato ning formula sa transverse shear stress. So kani siya is equals to Vini kay 30 times ang Q, which is kani 35.16 times 10 raised to negative 3 over the I, moment of inertia. Gisolve na to ganina, which is equal to 15.532 times 10 raised to negative 3 times the B, which is 3 over 4, which is equal to 0.091 KSI. Tapos para masolve ang T total, we need to add the transverse and ang kaning shear stress na to. So ang shear stress na to kay, or ang transverse shear stress na to kay 0.091 plus ang shear stress na to ganina na solve na nato, which is equals sa 6.520, which is equals to 6.61 KS high. So mana siya ang ato ang answer sa point B, maximum sa point B. So wala na siya guys. Thank you.